So we're here now at the aquaculture at Agria. I'm Chef Patrico, and this is Farm to Fork. So today, we're cooking Crab Sotanghon. So first off, we're gonna get our crabs. These are mud crabs. They're grown in brackish water. No need to clean it. Medyo maliit naman to ngayon. But I bet it's super fatty inside. Usually we remove this flap. We don't want this. Yan. See? It's super fatty. So this dish is Crab Sotanghon, but pwede naman you use alimasag, shrimps or pasayan. You can also use lobsters if you're feeling fancy. So now we're ready to cook. Our crabs are really fatty. Actually, this is farmed here at Agria. Very nice. So we have our oil. So we're gonna saute our crabs first before aromatics. Make sure it's hot. Lagyan natin. Yan. So this dish features more of the seafood than the sotanghon. Why we use sotanghon? Sotanghon kasi absorbs the stock really nicely. So when you eat it later on, you would really taste the crabs, the ligi, the bagoong. Gonna cover this. Okay, so let's proceed. We're using a lot of vegetables today. First off, it's atsal. Sobrang simple. You can easily do this at home. If you don't have crabs, use shrimps. We also have here carrots and chives, spring onion. Aromatics would be onion, ginger, garlic. Okay, so let's check on our crabs. Wow. So pansin nyo, we didn't season the crabs kasi it's naturally salty in flavor, and we're adding soy sauce pa later, so we don't want it to be very maalat. So here we have sotanghon. This has been soaking for about 30 minutes in water. Medyo malambot na siya. Just a tip lang for sotanghon, you don't want it to be super soaked. Kasi gusto natin, i-absorb niya yung lasa ng stock natin, no? So next, we're gonna be adding our onions. Then, ginger. We got here chives, freshly harvested chives. If you don't have chives, pwede ra sibuyas dahon. Let's add our garlic. So our crab sotanghon, will be flavoring it with some shrimp paste. It's quite unique. Mas malinamnam. Brings you more umami na taste. You can add our shrimp paste now. Shrimp paste goes in. So before we add our sotanghon, let's make sure our crab is cooked thoroughly. We're gonna add in a little water. Little pepper. Then cover muna natin. So we have our crab simmering in its own juice and fat. Kailangan natin itong liquid na to. That's why we added water early on pa. Kasi ito yung stock na i-absorb ng sotanghon natin. So from here, we're gonna add rice wine. Why are we adding rice wine? Gives more body to the dish, no? Next, we're gonna add soy sauce. And a little bit of sugar. From this point, we can already add our vegetables. So, atsal. We have carrots. Yung chives naman, save natin for last. Para fresh pa rin siya. Let's have a taste. Good. You can taste the flavor of the crab, no? Just have to let it simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes. Then we add our sotanghon. Yan. Bango. So, we have sotanghon. This is pre-soaked sotanghon, ha? How do you prepare this? Soak it in cold water for 30 minutes. Diretso na yun. Yan. Make sure the sotanghon is soaked. So, kita nyo ngayon, it's a little soupy pa, but don't worry, the sotanghon will absorb it. Lahat ng flavors ng crab, ng mga aromatics natin, papasok yan sa sotanghon. Ayan, makita natin the tanghon absorb the liquid na ng crabs. It smells so good. Check lang natin. Ayan. Okay, this is ready. We're just gonna add our chives and spring onions. We're gonna save some for garnish later, no? Let's plate our crab sotanghon. Ganda. This dish is very colorful. It smells really good. So here's our crab sotanghon. Smells really good. This has been Chef Patrick Ko. See you next time at Farm to Fork. Nasa tingog. Fatty inside. Pag ako mapaakan. You flip it. Please cooperate. Okay? Panagsara ka sa TV. Ma'am.